like swiftly.
Please. Get some vitamins. Oh, I hope that got unsafe. Slave woman, turn around. I must tell you some information.
Man, Airborne is awesome.
Ew, I hate Airborne. It's disgusting.
Well, it's awesome because it's created by a school teacher. Look at that.
Garlic. I can put that in my soup.
I can put that in your... Shut up. Breathe right for kids. What's the difference between breathe right for kids and breathe right for humans? I mean...
And then breathe right for old people? Oh, that one's drug-free. It doesn't have any weed.
Crystal, when you think of a drug, you just think of weed?
It doesn't have any coke. It doesn't have any... heroin.
Heroin. It look like... I just felt your breath on my nose.
Fuck you!
Awkward. Can you hold this so I can get out?
Secret.
Can you hold this? I want to get out. I don't like it anymore. Crystal, hold the syrup. Crystal, hold the syrup. Crystal, the syrup.
Agent man.
Oh. Crystal, hold your bag.
Hang on.
Phone.
You're giving me everything to hold. God, what am I, your slave?
Oh.
You're sitting on it.
You were slave woman. Okay, I'm gonna get out. Ready?
Get out then.
Ready?
I want some Pop-Tarts.
Ready? I was gonna kick my leg over.
You fail.
And
I didn't get on you.
It's okay.
Oh wait.
You turn around.
Oh shoot.
My slave has ran away.
Omega-3, 1 per day. Culties in pack. Alka-Seltzer Plus. KRISTINE, only $1,000. You sleep with her one night, you get the next free.
Japanese
Gummy. Omega-3 gummy fish. Give it to your kids to get happy. It's gonna rain.